you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Over, my friends. See you in the cockpit.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Alright, flight crew, let's all go ahead and take our seats and get buckled up.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. Only one engineer. Well, I'll do what I can to help out. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Only one gunner. I hope you're a good shot. We told me not to put in those extra seats. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Light speed, here we go!
There is the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out.
Shoot them! Shoot them! There you
They're
go!
locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grabbed the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Engineers, hit your flashing button. Gunners, shoot the train. I thought you had it. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here. Yes, Julie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough. Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.